For a few years now I've been using the IKEA salad spinner. Now I kept using it and didn't realise that what happens is you can pop all these parts, all these pieces apart. It comes in pieces. But what I found was on the back of it, in here, around the edge, it's all mould. Right? So then I pop the hand part out, and guess what? It's full of mould all the way through the rim and around the whole of the area. It's all full of mould. So I don't think this is very hygienic. I'll show you a close up. So I don't know if you can see that or not. Now let's turn around and put in daylight for you. You can actually see the mould, and that was covering the whole of the other parts of the device. So if you're using one of these, I would pull it apart and clean it properly. And what I found was the brand new one we bought was this piece. The actual center piece broke with the second one we bought. Now, I don't know whether anyone knows about this, but make sure you clean them properly because there's a massive build-up of mold in them.